Hello, good day to our respected lecturer and everyone. We are from Group 5 and we are excited to present our project today, which is the Lost and Found Item web portal. My name is Nia Nurdian Ramadhani and I am here acting as the project leader. To introduce the rest of our talented team member and their respective roles, I will now pass the floor to my colleague Dimas.
Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dimas Satria Herlambang and I'm here as a developer.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Mikhail and here I am as a business analyst.
Hello everyone, my name is Julfikar Nurwahid Kurniawan Hidayatullah. I'm here user representative.
Hello, my name is Kayla. I'm a taker.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you all for attending today's meeting. And today we will discuss a solution to the lost and found problem in Compass. And we also want to ensure that the system we develop thoroughly meets user needs. And then before we begin, I'd like to make sure everyone is ready. Okay. I think all members are ready. Today's agenda is includes identifying the problems, analyzing user requirements, discussing the process solution, explaining the technical implementation, and concluding the meeting. Let's begin the problem identification. Okay, I'd like to invite our business analyst, Mikhail, to explain the main issues we are facing.
Okay, thank you. Based on our observations, many students lose valuable personal belongings every semester, such as wallets, chargers, student ID cards, earphones, calculators, and even laptops. Currently, information about found items is usually shared only through WhatsApp story or Instagram story. Unfortunately, these posts disappear within 24 hours, so the rightful owners often never receive the information.
So the information is not being shared effectively?
Yes, that's exactly. In addition, there is no centralized system to store all lost and found reports. Most records are still handled manually, making it difficult to track found items.
As a student, I have experienced losing personal belongings. I had to ask my friends, check several WhatsApp groups, and even visit the campus security office. The whole process took a long time, and I still couldn't find accurate information. It was frustrating because I don't know where to look.
So the main problems are the lack of centralized system and inefficient way information is shared.
Yes, that's correct.
I have not the main issue and unorganized information sharing, the absence of a centralized database and manual process for managing lost and found items.
Okay, now let's discuss the user requirements. Who are the main user of the system?
Okay, there are three main user groups. The first is people who find lost items. The second one is the owners who are searching for their belongings, and the last one is campus security officer who verify and manage all reports.
What does each user needs?
People who find items need a fast and simple reporting process. Owners need an easy and accurate search feature. Security officers need an organized dashboard to manage all time record efficiently.
As a feature user, I believe that search feature is the most important. I want to search for an item by its name, category, or the location where it was found. That would save a lot of time compared to asking people one by one.
That's exactly why we include search and filter feature in our system.
I have noted that the system should be simple, user-friendly, and easy to use without requiring any special training.
Okay, now I'd like our developers to explain the proposed solution.
Okay, the solution we propose is a lost and found website. Users will logging in using their campus account. After logging in, they will see a dashboard displaying all report lost and found items. If someone finds an item, they simply open the report item page, upload a photo, write a description, select the category, choose the location, and enter the date when the item was found.
What if someone loses an item?
They can use the search feature and apply filters based on category or location. Every item also has a status label such as unclaimed, under verification or resolved, so users always know the last status of the item.
I think the interface and feature are simple enough for students to use without difficulty. It would make searching for lost item much faster and more confident.
I have noted that the proposed solution include dashboard, item reporting, search and filter features, and item status tracking.
Okay, now could you explain how the system works?
Okay, the website uses a centralized database. Every report submitted by users is automatically stored. The database contains the item names, photo, category, location, date found, reporter information, and last one is item status.
Can the data be updated later?
Obviously, yes. When the rightful owner claims the item, the campus security officer only needs to update the item status. The system automatically changes the status from unclaimed to resolved, and the database is updated immediately.
This approach makes the entire process much more organized than manual record keeping.
As a user, I think this process is much more practical and efficient because I can check the information online at any time.
I have noted that all processes are handled automatically through a centralized database.
Okay, now let's discuss the benefit of the system.
Okay, so the benefit of the system is students will be able to find their lost belongings more easily because all reports are stored in one place.
security officers can manage record more efficiently, reduce paperwork, and update items status quickly.
User can check the status of their item online without visiting the security office, making the entire process faster and more convenient.
I have noted that the system improves transparency, reduces and organizes information on social media, and provides a better user experience.
Okay, based on today's discussion, we all agree that the Lost and Found website is the best solution for managing lost and found items on campus. The system will help students report found items, search for lost belongings, and assist campus security officers in managing records more efficiently. And our next step is to develop the prototype, conduct system testing, and prepare for the final presentation.
I have documented all the meeting results. This meeting notes will serve as the foundation for the next stage of system development.
Does everyone agree with today's conclusion?
I agree.
Okay, thank you all for your participation and valuable contribution. I hereby declare today's meeting adjourned.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Let's move on to the prototype development stage and prepare for our presentation.